Good morning, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Once again, I'm back. I'm Shailesh Fulsange, father of a superboy, a hot since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Menon Hospitality Private Limited, equity, funding, and key elements. We spoke about three important factors in my previous videos. Today, also a very important topic. I'm going to talk on ARCs. Now, what do you understand by ARCs? Asset restructuring companies or asset reconstruction companies. These are the special companies which takes charge of the assets which are getting into trouble, which are into trouble. However, asset restructuring companies or ARCs are the ones who are lifesavers for the owners. Sometimes they come with a consortium, they lead the consortium of bankers, or they become part of the consortium and take the portion, put in the money of the distress asset and take charge of the entire scenario, which saves the property which goes under, which may be going under a litigation. It comes under the Act, SURFACI Act. Now, what do you understand by SURFACI? SURFACI is scrutinization and reconstruction of financial asset and reinforcement of security interest. So we must have seen a lot of times people say there is a SURFACI notice, and this act has come into force from 2002. So if there is a SURFACI notice, asset reconstruction companies or ARCs play a vital role and helps the owner by investing into the company and take the share and entirely save the asset which may go into trouble. Sometimes it settles the bankers whose debt is not being paid by the owners. Sometimes they facilitate the development of the distressed asset. Most of the times they are specialized companies for financial assessment. I hope I have made the ARC's functions clear. Winding up with this, coming up with one more key element in my next video. The series will go on till it gets over. I'm going to talk on investment bankers in my next video. Till then, see you. God bless.